Hello everyone, welcome to Fundamentals. Today we will study demonstrative adjective. We will study demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. And these adjectives are this, these, that, and those. There are four demonstrative adjectives: this, these, that, and those. In last lesson, we studied these four words as pronouns. These four words sometimes act as a pronoun, sometimes they act as an adjective. We'll go through an example of each to understand when it is acting as pronoun and when it is acting as a adjective. This pen is nice. Which pen? This pen. In a way, the word this describe pen. Which pen? This pen. It is here acting as a adjective and it comes right before noun. Pen is our noun. It comes right before our noun. This is where it is acting as a adjective. Now to replace this whole phrase, we use pronoun because this is noun phrase. Adjective plus noun is noun phrase. We'll replace this phrase with pronoun. This is nice. We use the word this in place of this pen. Here, this is acting as a pronoun. Above sentence, this acting as a adjective, and lower sentence acting as a pronoun. There is no noun after this in lower sentence. That car is fast. That car is fast. Which car? That car. In a way, the word that describing the car. Which car? That car. Showing. Demonstrate means to point or to show. So it is showing us which car? That car. It is fast. That is acting as an adjective. It comes just before noun. Car is our noun. That is fast. We replace the whole noun phrase with the word that. Here it is acting as a pronoun. It depends on the position of the word. It decides whether it's acting as a pronoun or adjective. These shoes are black. Which shoes? These. The word these showing us which shoes, identifying or showing. In a way, the word is describing the noun. Shoes. Noun is plural. That's why we use the word these instead of these. Here it is acting as a adjective. We'll replace this whole phrase with just the word these. These are black. We are pointing at the noun and telling that these are black. In lower sentence, it is acting as a pronoun. We use the word these for plural. Those boys are tall. The word those pointing at boys is our noun here, pointing or showing. The word those, plural and away from us. At that time, we use the word those. Those boys are tall. Noun and the word describing noun. Those. How it is describing? By pointing at it. Those are tall. In lower sentence without noun, it is acting as a pronoun. There are four demonstrative adjectives. Remember, when it is adjective, it is followed by noun. Noun comes right after it. That's it for now. To understand more and learn more, follow us. Thank you.